Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong first half ng 2025. So that's January to June 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really helps a lot. Okay, so let's see. Sag, first half ng 2025. Series, Nurture. It's about taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs, pag-aalaga sa mga taong mahal mo. Yung iba sa inyo may kakayanan na kayong mas maalagaan yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay, to bring them comfort, no? Mas maging komportable yung sitwasyon nila. You also have Aries energy, so someone who is initiator, no? May kusang palo, kumbaga. So this is also a time for action para sa inyo ngayong first half ng 2025. We also have Pisces. Pisces energy is about tapping into your creativity, tapping into your divine calling. Ayan. So, maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong divine calling na ipupursu ninyo ngayong first half ng 2025. Some of you will also explore your talents, your skill set, lalo na kung ito'y related sa spirituality. No? Maaring meron kayong spiritual talents. You can be a spiritual teacher or spiritual healer. Okay, let's see what else. You have the Champion of Swords. Someone na very strategic, no, sa kanyang mga desisyon. Mas nag-o-observe kayo ngayon bago kayo mag-take ng action. Ito yung tipong, ba, nasa crossroads ka, no? Nagda-drive ka, nasa crossroads. Titigil ka muna bago ka kumaliwa, kumanan, dumiretso. Kasi mas nag-o-observe ka sa paligid mo. Kung safe ba. Also have the Emperor. Wow. The Emperor is someone who is in control of his life. So, yung iba sa inyo Sagittarius, alam nyo kung saang direksyon gusto nyo tahakin ng buhay nyo. The Emperor is also about discipline. So, you have set discipline in your life para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals and dreams mo. See? You have the Empress. The Empress is about abundance, opportunities, blessings. Oh, may sun pa. Oh, talaga naman. And you also have the Apprentice of Swords. So, you're going to be very curious, Sagittarius, dahil maraming opportunities for you coming ngayong first half ng 2025 na magiging interesado ka. So, I think ang challenge na lang sa'yo rito is kung saan mo dadalhin yung sarili mo. Kung saan ka mas magiging satisfied, saan ka mas magiging interesado. 'Di ba? Kasi we can be interested in so many things. Pero meron dyan talaga na mas malapit sa puso mo. Or for some of you, pwedeng mas magiging practical ka rin. Mas magiging logical ka rin. Kumbaga nga, andun yung strategy sa mga gagawin mong actions. And if sa tingin mo, hindi ka magbe-benefit doon, hindi mo muna gagawin yon. Or you will think about ways on how to benefit in that situation. So, some of you naman, no, on the other hand, Sagittarius, if you're wanting to have a baby, maaring merong baby na darating sa buhay mo ngayong first half ng 2025. When I say baby, it's anak, bata, hindi jowa, ha? Baka isipin nyo, baby, hindi. So, if you are uh, sexually active, may possibility, no? So, kung ikaw ay sexually active pero hindi ka pa ready for a commitment, then you have to be careful. Pero, 'di ba? Ganun eh. You have to take responsibility for your actions. Pero kung ready ka na, and then go, push. Kasi merong malaking opportunity for you. Yung iba naman sa inyo, kung may business kayo, I see your business growing. You know, kaya siya mag-grow kasi willing ka na mag-aral. Willing ka na i-explore pa yung knowledge mo. Kasi wala namang nag-grow na business na naka-focus lang sa kung ano yung paano sila nagsimula eh, 'di ba? Kasi tinan mo, yung Apple, 'di ba? They are improving every year actually, pero lately sabi nila hindi na raw nag-i-improve. But example yung Nokia, 'di ba? There was a time, early 2000, talagang sobrang lakas ng mga Nokia phones. And then, parang naging complacent sila, no? Naging kampante sila sa ganong status nila. Hindi na sila nag-evolve, hindi na sila nag-grow, until mas may nakaisip ng, ang tawag dyan, yung patap-tap na lang sa screen, 'di ba? Ng smartphones, which is si Steve Jobs. And that was the rise of iPhones, diba? And yun din yung naging parang downfall ng Nokia. Kasi hindi sila nag-evolve. So that's what I'm seeing for you. Yung success mo ngayong first half ng June ay base sa kung paano mo mas in-nurture yung sarili mo, yung mind mo, yung isip mo, no? Para ma-improve mo rin yung way of living mo. Hindi to yung stagnant. Okay? Learn new things. You're going to learn new things. And definitely, mga matututunan mo ay magbibigay sa'yo ng mas maraming opportunities and achievements. See? You are rising. May pag-angat, may pag-unlad. It's time to take action, Sagittarius. Hindi mo na kailangang hintayin hanggang June. Kasi nga ang time frame nito is hanggang June. So, kung kailan mo ito mapanood and nakaka-resonate ka that there's something that you need to do it now. Water carrier. So, this is your tapping into your emotions, your instinct. This is also your yung parang creative talents and skills mo. Kasi anything related sa water is also about your innate talents. You also have Gavel, which is decisions to make. Yes, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong major decision na kailangan nyong gawin. This can be within a few weeks. Meron kayong kailangang decision na gagawin for a new opportunity or new direction na tatahakin mo ngayong first half ng 2025. Let's see what else. You are the joy seeker. So, ito yung hahanapin mo. What brings you joy? San ka mas magiging masaya? San ka mas magiging fulfilled? What little victories can you celebrate? And also, you will celebrate your small wins. Kahit na maliliit na bagay, isi-celebrate mo yan because yan din yung mag-i-inspire sa'yo to do more, to think big, to expand, to explore. Pag sinabi natin celebration, hindi naman kailangang sobrang magarbo na gagastos ka ng bonggang-bongga. You can celebrate just with your friends or just within yourself. Kasi it's a feeling, 'di ba? Na you are celebrating your milestones, yung mga na-achieve mo. It really helps. Oneness is the way. How can you show more compassion and acceptance toward those you don't understand? Showing more compassion. I think may mga narrative or kaalaman or mga situation na hindi natin pa naiintindihan. For example, yung mga belief system ganyan. Pero it doesn't mean na hindi na yon hindi na yon totoo or hindi na yon nag-e-exist. Okay? Meron tayong pagkakaiba-iba. So, it's about you na being open to accept yung differences ng bawat isa sa atin. Na minsan, merong mga taong mag-a-agree sa'yo, meron namang hindi. And that's okay. Because that's the reality. So, whatever is working for you, you will go with it. And at the same time, ano man yung alam mong hindi ka pa nagre-resonate or hindi mo pa naiintindihan, you will just respect that because it is there, no? Nandyan yan. So, I think you are going to focus on saan ka mas nagiging masaya, saan ka mas magiging fulfilled. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.